Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can cancel your Temu order before shipping. So let's get right into it. Now, to view your orders on Temu, you just need to access your account information, and you can do that very easily. On the mobile version, you just need to go into your U section and click on your orders, and on the web version, you just need to hover over orders and account and click on your orders. Even if you click on orders and account, it's going to take you to your orders screen, and that's pretty much it. Now, as you can see, I don't have any orders at the moment. However, I'll just explain everything as it should be done. Now, here you'll find a list of all your orders. However, the orders you want to cancel are under processing. You have processing, shipped, and delivered, which are the three stages of an order, and you want to catch the order while it's still processing. Once it's been shipped, you cannot cancel that anymore, and you need to wait until it is delivered and then return the items. However, under processing, you want to find the order that you want to cancel, click on it and enter the order information page, and then just click on the cancel button, which pops up, and then confirm the cancellation of your order, and then your order will pretty much be canceled and it'll stop being processed. Once you do that, you can then order it again if you want to. If you want to change some details of the order that you accidentally put in once you were ordering first. But yeah, that is pretty much it. It is as easy as that. There's really nothing else to mention about this process. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.